should be stronger than me. You've been here 7 years longer than me. Don't you know you're supposed to be the man? Not pale in comparison to who you think I am. You always wanna talk it through. I don't care. I always have to comfort you when I'm there. But that's what I need you to do. Stroke my hair. 'Cause I've forgotten all of young love's joy. Feel like a lady, and you my lady boy. You should be stronger than me, but instead you're longer than frozen turkey. Why'd you always put me in control? All I need is for my man to live up to his role. Always wanna talk you through. I'm okay. Always have to comfort you every day. But that's what I need you to do. Are you gay? 'Cause I've forgotten all of young love's joy. Feel like a lady, and you my lady boy. Said the respect I made you earn.
They tried to make me go to rehab. I said no, no, no. Yes, I've been black, but when I come back, no, no, no. I ain't got the time, and if my daddy thinks I'm fine, they try to make me go to rehab. I won't go, go, go. I'd rather be at home with Ray. I ain't got 70 days. 'Cause there's nothing you can teach me that I can't learn from Mr. Hathaway. Didn't get a lot in class, but I know it don't come in a shot glass. They try to make me go to rehab. I said no, no, no. Yes, I've been black, but when I come back, no, no, no.
Now rockin' with the best, Amy, baby.
The man said, why do you think you hit? I said, I got no idea. I'm gonna lose my baby. So I always keep a bottle on it. Said I just think you're depressed.
Best, Amy.
Kiss me, yeah, baby, and they try to make me go to rehab. I said no, no, no. Yes, I've been black, but when I come back, you're no, no, no.
Young, more money, more checks. I'm addicted to fresh. 6 pair of kicks is my definition of 12 steps. Kick back in the back, get the fan on the drop. Bass blaring out of my system. That's how I detox. Well, when will you stop? Me still popping that real. My flow so dumb, my face is numb. I don't feel. With a therapist, yeah, I'm out of control. They try to make me go to rehab. I won't go, no. And so I'm addicted. I'm Britney, Whitney, and Bobby. Ready for it, ain't ready for this. Ain't nothing can stop me. Oh, look, he's relapsing. Just look how he's rapping. Every time I try to get out, it pulls me back in.